Hello loves, I'm back with another video. Today we are decorating our master bedroom. If you are a new subscriber, welcome. If you are returning, welcome back. My name is Sifan. I'm a wife and a mom of two. We live in Canada, Alberta. On my channel, I focus on motivational video. If you are into this type of content, please consider subscribing to my channel. I promise you, you won't be disappointed. Without further ado, let's just dive into the video. Some of my decor pieces are old, some of them are new. I purchased this year. If you like any of the pieces I used, please leave me a comment down below. I'll get back to you with website or store name. If you like the video so far, please consider subscribing to my channel and give it a thumbs up. It will help my channel to grow. This is how it looks at night time when lights on. I will show you the video when there's no lights on and what it looks like at daytime. did record everything for you all. It turned out so beautiful, so cozy and glam. I'm so excited for Christmas. I hope you all are excited for Christmas as well. Until I see you all next time on different video, stay blessed. I love you all.